Many people look at becoming a millionaire as a pipe dream, something far off only a few people can accomplish. In reality, becoming a millionaire can be a lot easier than you think. You don't have to be a stock market guru or spend hours every day reading the news or watching the market. In today's video, we'll go through how you can become a millionaire through index fund investing. Welcome to Fill Up on Finance, where people interested in personal finance can fill up on knowledge and embark on the path to success. My name is Philip, and having reached financial freedom around 20 years into my journey, my goal is to share tips and advice on personal finance in order to help you achieve the same. If you enjoy my videos and want to help share my knowledge with others, simply hit that like button and subscribe to always be notified when I post new videos. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund with a portfolio that seeks to match or track the returns of a financial market index. Here, you can see how the Vanguard 500 index, ticker symbol VFINX, tracks the SPX over the years. The S&P 500 index, the Russell 2000 index, and the Nasdaq Composite index are just a few examples of market indices that index funds may seek to track. If you own an S&P 500 index fund and the S&P 500 index returns 8% in 1 year, you will also earn that same 8% less any fund expenses, which can be as low as 0.03%. Earning this 8% requires no active management on your part, which makes index funds incredibly efficient for everyday investors. There are three main advantages why index fund investing is superior to stock picking. They have low fees or expense ratios, meaning you will save money on management fees, netting you a higher return compared to options such as a mutual fund. You will also most likely get higher returns over the longer term. Several studies have shown that passive investing methods like index fund investing outperform active portfolio managers 95% of the time. Index funds also greatly benefit from broad diversification. By having exposure to hundreds of different stocks, individual stocks won't make a huge difference in your portfolio while you ride the entire market up as a whole. The legendary investor Warren Buffett is a huge believer in index funds. He has said to consistently buy an S&P low-cost index fund. Buffett goes on to say that buying this type of index fund makes the most sense practically all of the time. This is because in the long run, markets will always trend upwards, earning you a consistent return. Index investing is all about discipline in terms of patience and consistency. Patience is required because you need to give your money time to grow and to benefit from the compounding returns. Consistency is necessary because the more money you funnel into your investment on a regular basis, the more time those contributions have exposure to the market returns. Let's look at how easy it is to become a millionaire with some number crunching. If you invest $200 a month, or approximately $13 a day, using the historical return of the S&P 500 of 8%, your money would grow to the $1,000,000 mark after 46 years. For most people, this falls nicely in place with a retirement plan at around 65. If you were to increase your monthly investments to $500, it would only take you 35 years to achieve the same. And for the aggressive savers out there, double it up once more to $1,000 per month, and your goal is within reach after 27 years. By leaving your money invested for a longer period of time, your portion of interest earned will be much higher. How much and how often you invest depends on your own financial situation and priorities. You can start your index fund investing very early in life and contribute less each month, or you can start investing later in life, but you will need to invest more at a time. The bottom line is that by investing as much as you can, as soon as possible, you too can join the Millionaire Club before you retire. As always, thank you for your time and best wishes on your financial journey.